How are you? Welcome to lesson 3. This is Tuesday, April 7. Today we will be on pages 74 and 75 in your book. This is Unit 13, Lesson 3. I hope everyone is studying and is doing well. Today, let's start by reviewing locations. Okay, point 2, the mall. The mall. Okay, it's up here. Point 2, the cafe. The cafe. It's right here. Point 2, the bakery. The bakery. It's right here. Point 2, an ice cream shop. An ice cream shop. Point 2, the hardware store. The hardware store. Point 2, the car dealership. The car dealership. Remember, we made sentences, and I would ask, where did you go? And you would say, I went to the cafe. I went to the mall. So make one sentence. I will say, and you answer, where did you go? Remember, we also made sentences for the future. Where will you go? I ask and you answer. Where will you go? And you answer, I will go to the ice cream shop. Or, I will go to the mall. Okay, I say, you repeat. Where did you go? Past tense. Future tense, where will you go? And you would answer, I went in the past, or in the future, I will go. What's present tense? Present tense is I go. All right? Let's get started. Unit 13, Lesson 3. This is what the page looks like. Okay, part 1, match the words with the same A sound. Listen and check. Okay, so let's start here with these 4 words. I will say and you repeat. Bakery, bakery. The A sound here makes a A. Okay, funfair, funfair. Here, the A and the I make the sound air, air. Okay? Park, park. Here, the A sound goes R. Do you hear the difference? In funfair, the A makes the air sound. In park, A makes an R sound. R sound. And the last one, jacket, jacket. Here, the A says ah. All right, I'll just do the sounds. A for bakery, air for funfair, R for park, A for jacket. Now, use your pencil to draw a line between the word on this side and the word on this side that sounds similar. Okay? So the first word here is car. R. Car sounds like park. Okay? So you will draw a line in between car and park. Okay, I will say it. You try to answer, and then I will give you the correct answer. The second word is lake. This one's already done for you. Lake makes the A sound, and A sounds like bakery. Okay? This says cap. Cap makes the ah sound. Ah. So it makes the same sound as the ah in jacket. Cap, jacket. So draw a line in between cap and jacket. Okay, the last one says hair, hair. This makes the same air sound as funfair. Okay, repeat the words on this side. Car, lake, cap, hair. A can make many different sounds. It can be confusing, but practice these on your own. Let's do this side. The first word is roundabout, roundabout, roundabout. Here the A makes a sound, roundabout, The second word is emails. Say it after me, emails. The A here makes an ale sound, emails. And the third word is hall, hall. The A sound makes an ah sound. Okay? Let's start on this side. Match the word with the same sound on the other column. The first one is train. Okay, we see there's an A and an I. Which word also has an A and an I? Emails. So train, emails, has the same AI sound. Repeat after me. Email, train. Okay. The second word is ball. Do you hear the long sound? All, ball. Which word sounds kind of like ball on this side? Hall. So draw a line in between hall and ball. Say it after me one more time. Ball. The third word is sofa. The A sound makes a sound. Sofa. And so does the word roundabout. Listen to the A sound. Roundabout. Roundabout. Sofa. Sofa. We draw a line in between those two. Let's do these one more time. Train. I say, you repeat. Train. Ball. Sofa. Okay, let's move on to the story. Read about Ziar's school trip. Guess the meaning of the underlined words. Okay, I will read. You can listen. If you want to repeat, you can pause to repeat. On Tuesday, I went with my class to Suleimani. We went there on a bus. It was fun. First, we went to the Suleimani Museum. We saw statues and pictures. They were very, very old. Then we drove to Azadi Park. There were a lot of picnic tables. We ate our lunch. We picked up all our rubbish, and we got back on the bus. In the afternoon, we went to the fun fair. It was really good fun. I wanted to go on the big wheel, but it was very expensive. We came home at 3 o'clock. In the evening, I wrote a report about our school trip. Okay, let's see if you know some of the meanings of these words. The first word underlined is statues. Say it after me, statues. Statues. A statue is like a shape of a person or maybe a famous person made out of stone or rock or marble. There's a Melusine statue in Dahuk. So that's what a statue is. pictures. Do you know what pictures are? Pictures, I think in Kurdish is taswiret. Say it after me, pictures. Pictures. So they went to a museum where they saw statues and pictures. A museum is a place to learn about history or science, and people walk through and look at pictures, statues, information about a certain topic. Okay, the next one is picnic tables. Say it after me. Picnic tables. What is this? Well, a picnic, you know what a picnic is. It's eating outside. So a picnic table is a special table outside to eat at. Here it says, there were a lot of picnic tables. We ate our lunch, okay? Big wheel. Now, you have to tell me what that is because I don't know. But in Suli, there is a place called the Big Wheel. Maybe it means a Ferris wheel like De Hook has, where you sit in the circle and it takes you up, around, and back down. But you have to tell me. I have never been to Suli. Say it after me. Big wheel. Big wheel. The last one, a report. What's a report? A report is a paper with writing. In class, you need to give reports that you write. ZR wrote a report about his school trip. So he probably wrote, we went to the picnic table, we went to the museum, we did not go to the big wheel. So it's just a paper about the trip. Say it after me. A report. A report. Okay, let's answer these questions. Look at your book to answer these. Number 1, did they travel on a bus? If you answered yes, you are correct. The second sentence says, we went there on a bus. Number 2, did they go to Azadi Park first? Look at the second paragraph. Here, it does not say they went to Azadi Park first. It says they went to the museum first, then we drove to Azadi Park. Number 3, did they have lunch at the fun fair? Look for the answer. No, they did not. Where did they have lunch? Not at the fun fair, but at Azadi Park. Okay, number 4. Did they pick up their rubbish? What do you think? Here it says, we picked up all our rubbish and we got back on the bus. So yes, they picked up their rubbish. Number 5, did ZR go on the big wheel? The big wheel? Remember, he did not. He wanted to go on the big wheel, but why didn't he go? It was very expensive. Can you say expensive? Repeat after me. Expensive. Expensive. Yeah, expensive means too much money. Too much money. Number 6, did they come home at 4 o'clock? Look at the last paragraph. It says, we came home at 3 o'clock, not 4 o'clock. So the answer is no. Now, you can pause the video, ask the question, read the question, and answer it. okay, to practice. All right, when you're finished with that, move on to page 75. On page 75, number 1, say the classes. Write more classes in your notebook. All right, so let's learn about some subjects in school, or classes in school. Let's say classes in school. I will say, and you repeat, science, art, grammar, history, English, Kurdish, math. All right, here's some pictures to help us remember. Which picture goes with science? This one. Science. Which picture goes with art? This one goes with art. Painting or drawing. Which picture goes with grammar? This one here. Which picture goes with history? This one, because it's old, an old picture. Which picture goes with English? This one goes with English. Which picture goes with Kurdish? This is Kurdish. And math? This is math. Okay, I'm going to remove all of these. I say, you point. Point to history. History. Point to science. Point to art. Point to English. Point to grammar. Point to Kurdish. Point to math. Good. All of these are subjects in school. These are some questions. I will ask and you answer. Did you go to school? Did you study math? Did you do your homework? Did you have English class? Did you have history class? So for each of these questions, you could answer in 2 ways. You could answer, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Repeat after me. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay. I will ask you and you answer. Did you do your homework yesterday? You can say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Did you go to school? No one says, yes, I did. Everyone says, no, I didn't. Did you have history class? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Okay. Here are 3 pictures. This picture is science. This picture is art. This picture is grammar. Let's practice saying these times. Part 2. The first time is, the first time is wrong. The first time says 12:30. Say 12:30. The next time says 7:45. 7:45. The next one says 10:15. 10:15. The next one says 11:25. 11:25. The next one says 11:35. 11:35. And the next one says 9:45. 9:45. Pause the video and write in the correct times, okay? Let's practice making some questions using did you. For example, did you have science class today? Did you have math class today? Did you have English class at 4:30 today? What time was Kurdish class? Let's change these to future tense. How do we change did you have science class today to future tense? What do we do with did? We change did to will, and then we say you have science class tomorrow. To change this sentence from past tense to future tense, we changed did to will. We changed today to tomorrow. What about the next sentence? What do we do first? We changed did to will. You have math class tomorrow. Okay? What about the next sentence? Did you have English class at 4:30 today? We say, will you have English class at 4:30 today? Now, what about a question? This question says, what time was Kurdish class? So first we say what time, the question word, what time. We change was to will. What time will Kurdish class be? So when we're changing a question from past tense to future tense, like this question, we change was to will, and we add the word be at the end. Be. Repeat after me. What time will Kurdish class be? What time will Kurdish class be? Okay. For some of your homework, I want you to, here's homework. These are some more questions using did you. For example, I say you repeat. Did you go to the store yesterday at 2 o'clock? Will you go to the library tomorrow at 10:45? Did you go to the mosque on Friday? Did you go to the bakery this morning? These are all questions using did you and past tense. So remember to use did you for past tense, and remember to use will you for present or future tense. Remember that the past tense of go is went. So when we say, when we're asking a question, we say, did you go? If we're answering the question, we say, I went, okay? I went is past tense for go. But when we ask a question, we don't use past tense. We use present tense, go. So another example would be, did you go to school? Where's my verb? Go. Am I saying went? No. But this is past tense because I said did. Did makes it past tense. So did you go to school? Yes, I went to school. Do you see this is past tense? Went is past tense. This question is also past tense because we said did. Did. But in a question, we don't say went. We use present tense, go. All right, I say you repeat. Did you go to school? Yes, I went to school. Are both of these past tense? Yes. How do we know the first one is past tense? Because it says did. Did. Past tense. How do we know this is past tense? Because I said went. Went is past tense. So why did I say go here? This is past tense. This is past tense. Why did I say go? Because it's a question, okay? If it's a question that's past tense, we use did, but for our verb, we use the present tense. One more example. We could say, did you eat? And then we could say, yes, I ate. Okay, in the first sentence, is this past tense? Yes. We know it's past tense because we use did. Yesterday, did you eat? Is this past tense or present tense? Eat is present tense. It's a question. So we have a past tense did, present tense verb. But when we answer the question, it's also past tense. But we say ate, past tense, ate. Okay, present tense is eat, past tense is ate. I say, you repeat. Did you eat? Yes, I ate. In a question, we use did, past tense, but we use the present tense verb. In an answer to a question, we use past tense verb. Okay? For your homework, you have some activities to do, and I also want you to write some sentences. I want you to write 2 questions and 2 answers. So for example, you could say, did you, make it a question, and then answer the question. For example, did you go to the store? Yes, I went to the store. I want to see that you use the word did, that you use the present tense of a verb, and then in your answer that you use the past tense of that same verb. Okay? Let me give you one more example. I want you to make your own sentences. Don't use my examples. But here's another example. You could say, did you do homework? So I know this is correct because I used did. Where's my verb? Do. Is do past tense or present tense? Present tense. So in your question, make sure you say did you, present tense verb, do homework. And then your answer, it could be yes, I did, or it could be no, I didn't. So in your answer, we use past tense, did. Not present tense, do, past tense, did. Listen and repeat. Did you do did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay, do your best. Give me 2 questions with an answer for each question, okay? In addition, I want you to use your activity book, pages 54 and 55. Actually, just page 54. Complete 1, 2, and 3. This is easy. The first one, you will write what each of these items are. The second one, write questions using did you and use these activities. So did you pick up rubbish? Did you read a book? Did you have a picnic yesterday? Okay, make questions. And then here you will write a question and an answer. Did you swim at the swimming pool? No, I did. No, I didn't, or yes, I did. Okay? So just page 54. Don't do page 55, just page 54. Okay? That's homework. Now to finish, let's do this conversation yet. I will say and you repeat. What time is it, please? It's 12:15. Oh no, I'm late for the math class. Good, you can practice that conversation on your own as well. Okay, that's the end of Unit 13. We will have live class later today. I'll send you the link for that. Have a good day and I'll see you then.